The teams from the investigation has started. Like we have already released a press statement where the teams from AIB and DGCA have already arrived at the site yesterday. The black box has also been recovered and the investigation is in process. This time we'll be stressing upon having a very timeline approach so that we get the report done in an expeditious way.
Sir, about the runway, about the runway, Time Now has also shown some reports of it being a tabletop runway, but there are irregularities which has been shown that markers are not there, the lights are not there. Even eyewitnesses have said that there were no one to extinguish the fire and they had to bring water from home. What would you like to say on that?
No, these are the airstrips which are being used for flying training organizations. And whatever is required for an FTO and that base, they have been there. And this is an airport which has been used by NSOPs, not commercial aviation. The things that you are saying, when we license it to become an airport for commercial aviation, there are certain requirements which we ensure that these facilities are there. But this has been used by NSOPs and especially for the flying training organization. So whatever is required on that side has been there. And the airport for NSOPs has been used for quite some time also now.
So second crash in 8 months. Will be implemented because the Delhi High Court has also given its observation yesterday. So what is the Ministry of Aviation stating?
No, FDTL is already being implemented. There is no... No, that till February 10th we have given. As early as they can start with it.
Anything on flight safety? This was second crash in 8 months. Anything on flight safety? Any message to the passengers?
No, safety and all, like I said, there is zero tolerance when it comes to any negligence with safety. DGCA is continuously doing its bit and we are looking at global standards also and trying to see what best we can do from our side. But if you look up international standards, they all consider India to be one of the most safest countries also. So we are very strong on that aspect, safety and security. These are two things which will always be the primary pillars for the growth of civil aviation.
So anything on the investigation?